Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the headlight thoroughly so grit doesn't embed during sanding. Once done, mask the bumper and trim to protect paint and glass edges. You then wet the lens and begin sanding with 400 grit in even, overlapping strokes. This removes clear coat oxidation and levels deep yellowing. Make sure to keep the surface wet and check progress frequently. The goal here is consistent matte finish. Don't rush. The even base is what makes polishing effective later. Once the 400 stage is uniform, switch progressively to 800, then 1,500, and finally 2,000 grit to remove the micro scratches you created. This smoothing reduces haze. Make sure to keep water on the lens and use a flat sanding block to maintain even pressure. After sanding, rinse and dry the lens, then apply a medium polish with a foam pad on a low-speed drill to restore clarity. You should see the plastic clear up. Repeat polish passes until gloss returns. You finish by applying a UV-resistant clear coat or acrylic plastic sealant. This step prevents rapid re-yellowing and adds lasting clarity. Apply thin, even layers, allowing each coat to flash and cure per product directions, and make sure to avoid dust or moisture while curing. Once sealed and dried, remove masking and inspect optics. If you see persistent cloudy spots, resand those localized areas with 1,500-2,000 grit and repolish before resealing. This single troubleshooting tip fixes the most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.